just I'm just finished cutting up the rest of the vegetable, and you can see lots of this, the dish full, all kind of vegetable, all kind of season, pepper, scotchy, onion, sweet pepper, called bell pepper, celery, scallion.
Oh, it smells strong.
And this is the way I do it, so I'm asking you to like it, share it. See, lots of vegetable, cabbage. I also put cabbage in it too. Lots of cabbage. I put a big half of the cabbage in there, so you can see cabbage too. Lots of cabbage, yes. So this is the way I do my season, my vegetable, with lots of season and vegetable. Just strictly vegetable. So if you're a vegetarian, you would like this. So I like you to like it, share it, subscribe to the channel.